I'm eating the same. I'm working out the same. Maybe even more actually, but I'm losing muscle, gaining fat around my midsection, and to compound it all, I'm tired. That's not a willpower problem. That's actually biology. Somewhere in your 40s, your hormones start shifting, and that shift changes how your body responds to exercise, how it responds to food, sleep, everything. The workouts that built your foundation in your 20s and 30s stop producing the same results because the internal environment they were working in has now changed. All right? Sad fact, but it is. So before we talk about what to do, let's talk about what's actually happening here. All right? We need to figure that out before we can figure out a diagnosis. So what's happening to you hormonally is a big thing. That's a big problem. First up, let's talk about this. So estrogen decline is a big part of this. During perimenopause, which can start in your mid-40s, sometimes earlier, estrogen and progesterone, they start fluctuating before they gradually start to decline. Menopause itself is defined as 12 months without a period. So I don't know anything about that, but I have a lot of sisters and I have a wife as well. So here's why that matters for training. Muscle protein and synthesis starts to slow down. Estrogen actually supports the signal your body uses to build muscle. So when it drops, the exact same workout starts to produce a smaller muscle building response than it used to. Same effort, smaller return. That's real. It's not you doing something wrong. All right, so keep that in mind. Don't get the frustrations ahead of you. So muscle loss actually accelerates. Everyone loses muscle with age. Everybody, men, women, everybody. Typically 3 to 8% per decade after 30. But once estrogen drops, that rate speeds up. One study comparing women in early versus late perimenopause found the late perimenopause group actually had noticeably less muscle in their arms and legs. This is the stuff nobody tells you about. Menopause is not just flashes, hot flashes and mood swings. It's happening at the muscle fiber level. Again, my wife, my sisters, all going through this. They can tell you these are the facts. All right, so reaction time, coordination, and motor unit recruitment decline as well. So even if you're holding onto your muscle mass, your strength expression can still dip because the signal from the brain to the muscle gets less efficient.